To be original, you have to do things a little bit different. You do things that the people don't expect. In Formula One, there are many moments in your career that you have to find the best version of yourself. I started racing at 3 years old. I don't know any other life. I still have the same motivation. I still love that adrenaline of driving the fastest cars in the world. With Valvoline, the technology that you have in your hands keeps evolving. It's a never-ending search for perfection. When you are inside the cockpit, you do things automatically. The mind is always more important than what the heart tells you. You have to keep the head cool, focus, adapt. I see myself as an original. I keep adapting and keep driving to get better and better. Valvoline, the original never stops.